Whether you're updating your valve frame kit or converting to a functional cowl induction setup, we've got a comprehensive kit to include all the components for that portion of your restoration. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1970 to 72 Chevelle and El Camino SS and 1970 to 72 Monte Carlo valve frame kits. Our kits come with everything you need to switch out your valve frame. In addition, if you're installing on your Monte Carlo, you'll need to purchase the proper hood, which is part number M240304. Each kit includes the valve frame cage, valve frame to hood mounting screws, valve frame cage flapper, valve frame mounting retainers, electric solenoid assembly with boot and plunger, and the air control valve solenoid switch. The valve frame is manufactured from stamped steel, while the flapper is made from injection molded ABS plastic. The solenoid and switch feature all the proper connections for a smooth installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.